Hello, my name is HAO Jingfang. I'm a science fiction writer as well as the founder of Tongxing School. Today, I'd like to share my view on what should we do to promote education in our era. Right now, changes of the world, of our times and history are unfolding in ways like never before. These changes are posing challenges that must be taken seriously by humanity. Yet, humanity is a community with a shared future where all people rise and fall together. To face these challenges, the young generation, who will be the master of the future, needs to take the leading role and shoulder important responsibility in several areas. First, we need to enhance communication between students in different countries. People get their values and beliefs mainly in their usages. If we can promote their communication and help young people from different countries and ethnic groups to understand each other, then when they grow up, they will be more likely to contribute to a peaceful global civilization. In the report, Our Common Agenda, the UN Secretary General says that it's time to re-embrace global solidarity. How to achieve that? One practical and necessary way is to provide universal educational courses in the context of global civilization. We live on one earth. We share the fruits of civilization from all countries. People from every continent share the benefit from inventing the wheel in Mesopotamia, and every country uses paper invented by Chinese people and the light invented by American people. Therefore, this requires our education not only be inclusive, but also collaborative. Second, we need to provide equality in education and provide inclusive education to all kids. We should provide special supports to families in remote areas and families lacking access to good resources. To serve this goal, new economic model of education and digitalization are required. That is exactly why I established the Institute Tongxing School. Tongxing School is committed to exploring sustainable public welfare education using technological tools to promote high quality resources inclusively and has served more than 1 million families. Over the years, my team developed several apps to enable youngsters' online learning. For example, one app aimed to lead children to travel around all continents of the world with audio lessons, while another aim help children learn creative thinking with scientists, writers, and artists, and broaden children's knowledge with gamified learning. Education is the foundation of a modern civilization. Good education leads to a good world, and vice versa. I hope that all participants in this conference can unite together to fight for a better world in the future. 让我们一起变革教育。